Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my friend just suggests me to make a kari ayam noodle from Indomie with some milk. I also adding up the cheese and some nori. So the cheese is for the protein because it contains lots of protein, and I taking up some nori. The nori is for the vegetables because you cannot eat some noodles without vegetables, right? And extra milk for the soup base. So you just cook the noodle and pour the seasoning, and my advice is don't overcook the noodle. I'm just make it half cooked. So you just throw out the water and add the milk after it's already half cooked. And as you can see, after that you can just pour your noodle into your seasoning, and I'm also adding up some cheese outside of the noodle. But the cheese actually I already I've eaten the cheese, so it's not seems like full cheese. Also it have a shallot fries. I really love the shallot fries from this Indomie, and as you can see, voila, the milk noodle, the curry milk noodle. Okay, but it really smells good, but I didn't know how it tastes like. Okay, I hope I like it. So let's try this. Okay, I already mixed the nori and the cheese. It's really creamy, but I hope I like it. Okay, when I try this, it's actually not bad, and it's really good actually. The palate, the blend of the cheese and the nori and the curry, it's just perfectly good. I didn't know that this could be a really good noodle. So yeah, I'm just adding extra nori because the nori is already, I ate it a lot noris from this noodle. I'm so excited, and if you guys asking me whether I gonna try this again, of course I will try this again another time. And if you want the recipe is on the link description below, and I hope you guys like it and you guys could try it too at your home. I really recommend this recipe, and thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and give a suggestion what kind of noodle I gonna should eat next. I'm really sad because it's already done. As you can see, the cheese is melting.